Hello, my name is Natalie Serpa. I will answer following question. Question number 1. My close friend is Maria. She has been my best friend for almost 6 years. We met at Christmas dinner, and from the first day we were very close. Question number 2. Well, that depends on the social network, because on Instagram, for example, I have very few friends, but on Facebook I have around 600 people. Question number 3. My friend when I was were Julio, Marta, and Jose. We spent a lot of time together, playing and studying. Question number 4. I do have several friends. For example, my friend Cecilia travels every month to a different place, and meet new people, trying new food. So for me that is very exciting. Thank you.